Hey Charlotte, where are we going? Hey Charlotte, are we gonna go to the farm?
Yes.
What are we gonna see?
A sheep.
That's right. What does a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a horse say?
Nay.
What does a turkey say? What does a chicken say?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
What does a cow say? All right, let's go.